Minasan, konnichiwa. So I'm going to start right away because it's a short video. This one's on introducing yourself and introducing a friend, which is in your book, Part1, Dai Sanka, Unit 3, on page 17. So if you just follow my arrow here, we'll start with introducing yourself. We've already done this in class, but we'll just go over this as part of revision. So I'm going to use some color here to mark what I'm talking about. So I'll choose yellow, and I'm going to identify the topic in the sentence. The sentence reads, Watashi wa Takashi desu. Watashi wa Takashi desu. Dozo yoroshiku. Okay? And notice how I read that. I didn't go, Watashi wa Takashi desu. Dozo yoroshiku. Always have a laugh when people read it like that. Try to read it really monotone. Watashi wa Takashi desu. Dozo yoroshiku. So, okay. So I'm going to underline watashi wa, and that's the topic. And this character ha is read wa because it's a special case, and it comes after nouns such as I, watashi, watashi wa. Wa doesn't have any meaning in itself. It's just like a flag. It tells the reader this is the topic, watashi. Okay, the next thing I'm going to underline. Oh, and by the way, this character ha is read ha. It's pronounced ha when it comes in front of a word. So, for example, hashi, which could be chopstick or bridge, and it comes at the beginning, so it's pronounced ha. We'll talk more about that later. Okay, the next thing I'm going to identify the name. And the name, Takashi, is a boy's name. It's a very common boy's name. And it says, I, Takashi, in English. In English, by the way, you would need a verb, such as am. I am Takashi. And that corresponds to des, or des corresponds to the be verb, is, or am. So this would say, just follow the arrow, watashi wa, I, des, am, Takashi. And that's how we order the words in Japanese. I know it's strange, but have an open mind and accept it as a different language and different culture. Okay, the second part of this self-introduction is this part here, which I will underline in light blue, dozo yoroshiku. Now, there are two words here, but let's just remember it as one phrase, and we won't break it up or analyze on each component. So, dozo yoroshiku, which means, it could mean nice to meet you, how do you do, I hope we can become good friends. And you're not literally saying that, but that's the meaning behind it. So let's go over it again. Watashi wa Takashi desu. I am Takashi. Dozo yoroshiku. Nice to meet you. I'll stop the video here, and then please click on part 2 to talk about introducing a friend.